Our body is an extraordinary defense system, a living fortress built to protect us from bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders. Yet in today's fast-paced, high-stress lifestyle, many of us find this shield weakening. Frequent colds, constant fatigue, slow recovery from infections. These are not random occurrences. They are messages from your body whispering, "My immunity needs help." This playlist, Weakened Immunity and Frequent Infections, dives deep into understanding why your immune system may falter and how to naturally rebuild its strength through everyday choices. A strong immune system doesn't come from a single supplement or magic food. It's the result of consistent, balanced habits that support your body's natural healing power. Through this series, we'll explore simple yet powerful ways to nourish your immune health through food, movement, rest, and emotional balance. We'll uncover how your diet, gut health, sleep, exercise, and state of mind are intricately connected to your immunity. The human body operates like a finely tuned orchestra. When one part falls out of rhythm, the entire performance suffers. Strengthening your immunity is about bringing that harmony back. You'll learn how nutrient-rich foods fuel your body's defense system, how moderate exercise keeps immune cells active, and why the gut, often called the second brain, plays a vital role in immune regulation. We'll also look at the underrated heroes of immunity: quality sleep and stress management. As we age, our immunity naturally declines, but lifestyle choices can either accelerate or slow that decline. By applying the insights from these videos, you can build resilience, reduce infections, and enhance your overall vitality. Let's embark on this journey together to restore your body's natural balance and empower it to fight back with renewed strength. Because immunity isn't just about resisting illness, it's about living vibrantly every single day.